Take some time to relax. We only live once, so it is important to recharge ourselves. Go to a place that makes you feel at ease. Escape for a while in an environment that relieves stress and leave you feeling refreshed and revitalized. Stay grounded and connect with nature. Feel the breeze and inhale the refreshing air. Embrace the art of unhurried stride, where time unfurls like a lazy river. In the slowdowns of life, savor each moment, for therein lies the secret of true abundance. Whisper of dreams painted across the sky, ethereal brushstrokes woven by nature's hand. In the tapestry of heaven, clouds dance a celestial poetry, gifting the world